Today, we're going to look at mixed numbers. A mixed number contains a whole number and part of a number. So this is the whole number. This is the part of a number. A part of a number is called a fraction. So let's make a visual of this. So let's say I have two triangles that are completely shaded in. Then I have another triangle that is half shaded in. So I have two full triangles that are shaded in, and then I have one half of a triangle that's shaded in. That's how we get the mixed number 2.5. Let's try some problems. So in the first one that's already done, you'll see that we have two circles that are completely filled. So we have two. And then we have another circle where the circle is cut into two parts and one part of the circle is shaded. So we get 2.5. Let's look at the next one. We have one full circle that's shaded. And then this circle is cut into four pieces. And then only one part is shaded. So we have 1 and 1/4. Next, we have one circle shaded. Cut into three parts. Then the other circle is cut into three parts, but only two parts are shaded. In the next one, we have one full circle that's shaded, and it's cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So we have one full circle that's shaded. All the parts are shaded. And then in the next circle, we have 6 parts of the one circle, and one part is shaded. So we have 1 and 1/6. Next one, we have two full circles shaded. Two full circles shaded. The last circle, is cut into 4 parts, and 3 of the 4 parts are shaded. And number 6, we have 1, 2, 3 parts, 3 whole circles that are shaded, and they're cut into 3 parts. And the last one is cut into 3 parts, and only one part is shaded. So we have 3 and 1/3. Number 7. How many holes do we have? We have one hole. Now, what is the fractional part of the mixed number? Well, count how many parts this hole is cut up into. How many parts is the circle cut up into? It's cut into 5 parts. And how many parts are shaded? 4 parts are shaded. Let's go to number 8. How many holes do we have? We have 2 whole circles shaded. How many parts is the last circle cut up into? It's cut up into 6 parts. And how many parts are shaded? 5 parts are shaded. So our mixed number is 2 and 5, 6. Let's look down here. So we want to shade 1 and 3/4. Let's see what that would look like. So let's use the highlighter. So one hole is going to be shaded, and this whole circle is cut into 4 parts. So all 4 parts are shaded, and then 3/4 is going to be the amount to shade for the next one. So 3/4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So we have 1 and 3/4. Let's look at number 2. 1 and 2/3. So we have 1 hole. So one circle is going to be completely filled in. And then we're going to do 2/3 of another circle. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to shade in the top 2. All right. Let's do one more. Let's do this one, number 6. We're going to do 3 and 1, 6. So how many circles should I shade in? I should shade in 3 because 3 holes. All right, so let's do, we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we got our 3 holes and then 1, 6. So I'm gonna just shade in just this one here. We got 3 and 1, 6. So this is how you can find a mixed number visually. I'm going to attach this worksheet to the video so you can work on it in your own time. And good luck.